Looking to boost your Kick stream instantly? No worries, because now with followerspanda.com you can use a Kickbot viewer that automatically increase your viewers. And as we all know, more viewers will help you to get noticed faster. It's literally the best way to grow your Kick channel. So without wasting more time, let me go to my laptop to show you how you can do it. Okay guys, so now I'm on my laptop to show you how you can be able to buy Kick viewers, okay? So now I am on Kick, so we're gonna choose someone from here who has a few or just 0 or 1 viewer, and we're gonna take his username and add some viewers for him, okay? So let's just search for someone here. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this, okay? So now let's go and search for followerspanda.com. Okay, this is the website. Click on it, it's the first one. Okay. All right, this is the homepage. Now let's go to Kick Services and click on Buy Kick Viewers. All right, so here you have the plans that you can choose from 10 to 1000. So I'm gonna choose 15, okay? Click on Buy Now. All right, agree to terms and conditions. I'm gonna take the username of this user from Kick. Okay, it's important so we can add it here. So enter the username here, and here you need to enter your email. Make sure it's the correct one, okay? Okay, email. All right, now you can proceed to checkout. All right, so here you can pay by using these 3 ways, okay? First way, which is credit or by debit card, PayPal, or wallet or crypto. The most expensive is PayPal because PayPal requires a lot of fees, so it's high when it comes to fees. So if you want to pay less, you can just choose credit or debit card, or you can use wallet or crypto, okay? So here, as you can see, PayPal is charging 3.45, but wallet and credit, it's just offering for 2.25. No, for debit card it's 2.55, but for crypto and wallet 2.25. So I'm gonna choose crypto, and I'm gonna click on pay with wallet, and as you can see, guys, payment successful, so it's confirmed. As you can see here, I have control panel, and I have here your rewards, 22.5 points you could have earned with card payment, okay? So click on control panel. As you can see here, I have loyalty points, okay? Here I have my order confirmation. Like for loyalty points, it's just you can switch it to money. So when you collect points, you can switch it to dollars and you can buy some services with it, okay? So it's easy. And if you want to know more about it, you can search for it in Followers Panda. And as you can see in this profile, he got a lot of viewers now. It's increasing. And also you can adjust these viewers by going here and to control panel, and you can, for example, pause it from here if you want. Now it's processing, but you can pause it, or you can, for example, control each viewer that you want to join every second, okay? You can control it from here and click on update. So it's as easy as this, nothing is difficult. I hope this video was useful to you, and as you can see with your eyes, it's not difficult to get viewers on Kick, so you can look more popular on Kick, okay? So I hope this video was useful to you, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.